Sacramento New Year day 2. What's that? November 25th. So we got here kind of like a little bit early than yesterday. We got around 11:30 here. Look at here, we got the parking way over here. We are not able to get the parking over there, like where I was parking yesterday, because more people today. It's kind of weird. Look, I even wearing gloves. You know, it's kind of cold. Not too cold, but it's very dry. So I'm wearing gloves now. We are on our way to the entrance again, once again. It's more people this time because I guess I'm coming on time. So we are on a good time today because everybody is here checking in. Yeah, so today is a good time. Good timing.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
How are you?
Good, how are you? Yeah, here we are. We're gonna go get the ticket, and a lot of people are here. More today and yesterday. All right, so get ticket, and we're gonna head out. Same walk as yesterday, but as you can see, more people standing on the walkway, and more people going my way. So we're gonna have more, more people today than yesterday, I think. All right, it's the same old shooting, so I'm just gonna stop now, and then when I get inside, I will let you see what's going inside. Oh, they actually volleyball there now. Oh, let me see if I zoom in. So today there's actually sports activity going on, and there's some volleyball over there. Maybe we'll go check it out in a little bit. But now let's go to the New Year. So that's the entrance. That is where we're going. You can see there is more activity today. So we're going a little bit.
I think your phone died.
Yep, here we go. Overview. Today is day 2. Sac New Year. It's sunny, almost sunny. I mean, it's not too bad. And we're on our way to the main event. Okay, so when I get in here, I heard this sound. Yeah, I think this is called seesaw, right? Yeah, so I think this is seesaw. So I'm just gonna let you guys see what seesaw looks like, and what it sounds like. Okay, that is the South Mount, right? So you can, like, not sure. So this is the first time I heard Monk play. So yeah, so it sounds pretty good. Okay, so right now we are in the square, where all the Volleyball is. You can see more Volleyball. More people today. I got here on time. I guess in a way it's on time, so a lot of people are here to enjoy the event. Yeah. More people. แล้วก็จะมอง more people.
Okay. 剛才比較面紅空，因為直播路佢就係呢條省成功冇送車我啦，送俾咗。
So maybe in a little bit we'll go find out the main stage inside and see what is going on inside. So that's it for now. Shoot some more later. It's pretty much the same. Okay, here's a dance group. 你 dance group 攞好啲咋？
才出咗。
實出咗。你咗佢哋多？
一號啦，Sacramento。
哦，Sacramento。They're in Sacramento, right? Then in Sacramento, and then a dance group.
Are you done?
Okay, so that is the group. Okay, so right now we are inside the stage, the main stage, where they're doing pageants and they're doing a whole bunch of stuff here. This is the stage where they do pageant. So this is good in Sacramento. They have like a nice warm house in here. It's not too cold. You can see they have a nice place. Pretty cool.
Test, test. OK, nhớ trong trong chế độ về trong những gì được đi trả thông tin cho ý cho tôi.
Like the main people are in here.
Thật sự là của tôi mình chỉ là.
You can see they have this bar here, all this nice and flowery table for all the VIP, I guess. Yeah, so all the VIP are in here with this flowery thing. You can see.
Bên tuần xài ở xã sĩ tờ tòn đây nọ, như tuần xài chỉ đại giàu bê, ngôi lúc bài hồ máy trao lâu.
Okay, so I think we're gonna do something. Let's see if I can get. Oh, I think this is a pageant or something. Alright, in a way, pageant is going on right now. And I guess this, yeah, so the pageant is going on. So she's one of the candidate, I think. Alright, let's go check out movies. This old movies. Oh, okay, let's go check out new movies. Like one of the big things. Yeah, let's go check out. Oh, let's go check out my competitor, right? Yeah, let's go check out my competitor. That I need to compete. I'm liking on my movie. It's kind of sucks every time I see them come out with a new movie every day, every year. It hurts, but you know what can I say? You know?
Motivation.
Yeah, I need more motivation. Yeah, yeah. I need to get something so I can, you know, motivated to do something. Yeah. So here's the booth, movie booth. It's not too bad. People are still looking at the movie. Yeah, they're still looking at the movie. They're still buying movies, so it's a good news. Blue Gia. This is probably a new movie coming out. Yeah, something like that. So here's a movie booth, and then here we go more. So they still have movie going on. Oh, this is where all the booths are. I didn't know that. I didn't see that. This is new to me too. Yeah, it's new. I didn't know that there's this whole section of booth on this side here. Wow, I only see the front. Yeah, okay. The whole booth is here too. Yeah, as you can see, this whole booth area. This is the booth area, like all these clothing and yeah, more people are buying stuff today. That's why less people bought on. So far, I just saw one movie booth. Just one, huh?
There's a lot around.
Yeah. Interesting. Oh, is that? Oh, I think this is the yellow building is the one that we just in with the pageant. Pigeon.
It's on the other side of the pageant.
It's on the other side. Yeah, that's. Yeah, here's where all the booth, like clothing and stuff. And then we are on our way to where there's a sports thing.
The volleyball.
Yeah, the volleyball area. We will check it out, the volleyball area. So here's a team is practicing their practicing for the next game, I think. They are called Team what? Souvenir? Survivor. Team Survivor. All right. They are trying to say hi. Where's your team? Say Survivor? Survivors. All right. You gotta play next?
Yes, we are next with that.
Okay. All right. Here we go. Here is the team. The currently two teams are playing. Here's team playing. And she's serving. Okay, here's another dance group.
焰火跟看到你有那种跟狗的，就焰火，然后火压在那 ，OK。
So here we are. My friend finally found his friend. All right, we're looking for her all day. So we finally found her. So he's gonna hang out here a little bit, and then I won't go and do my thing. All right, let's go shoot around. I'll come back for him in a little bit. All right. Okay, this is day 2, almost at the end. But as you can see, we still have a lot of people tossing ball, right? Yeah, so that's good. So everybody's still enjoying themselves, I guess, all the way to the end of the day. So that's a good thing. They are dressed in Hmong too, so that's how it's supposed to be, I guess. That's good. All right, so they are tossing ball here. Let's go over here to this group. All right, they're also tossing ball still. It's not too late. So they are wearing traditional Hmong clothes. Day 2 is late, but they're still playing ball. So that's a good thing. Less people now, but I think it's about 3 o'clock. Let's see what time is it now. So 2 o'clock, and they're still here. They're still tossing ball around. So it looks like day 2 is pretty good. A lot of people are still having fun. Here's the group. Oh, okay. So they're still tossing ball here. And this group is still doing the same thing. So yeah, even though it's kind of like 2:30, 2:40, they're all still having fun. We'll stay here a little bit longer and then we'll head out.